Good morning, Mahima.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Welcome to English Yari. How are you doing?
Thank you, ma'am. And I'm doing great. And what about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much, Mahima. So I think we are meeting for the first time, Mahima.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Shalini Menon, and I'm an English language trainer. I'm based out of Mumbai. I have more than 10 years experience. I help individuals in achieving their communication goals. I'm also an IELTS trainer. So can you tell me something about yourself so that I get to know you better?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity. My name is Mahima Tiwari. I am connecting from Uttar Pradesh. District name is Mirzapur. And I am a homemaker. I have two children. And my qualification is MA in English literature. And and nowadays I am running my YouTube channel. And nowadays I'm learning this language and I'm focusing on this language.
Okay, so your YouTube channel is based on what exactly?
Actually, my YouTube channel based on this language, like video conversation video.
Okay, video conversation. Okay, nice. That's very nice. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are gardening and listening music, and I like reading too.
You like reading, so that's very nice. And what kind of articles do you read?
Actually, in this time I am not like I do not read, but mostly time I like reading English stories and novels.
No, that's great. So, Mahima, our topic for today is on TV shows that show our glued. So, do you like the topic?
Yes.
Okay. But do you watch a lot of TV shows?
No, I don't like TV shows and serials, movies.
Okay, so what do you watch then? Do you watch OTT, programs which come in OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime? Do you watch those?
No, ma'am, I'm not following. I'm not flying in this kind
Okay,
of.
then this topic will not be, you know, will not be cannot be used no in this class because if you're not watching anything, then how will you speak, right?
Actually, because when I was, preparing government exam, that time I, like escaped all my habit. It can say old habits. Like I did watch serials and movies, but after some times I realized that I waste my time in movies and serials.
So
So
like
that's
you're not, so you've not been watching like TVs and all since how long?
yes, I escaped. It's a very long time.
No, then this topic will not cannot be used in this class because see, you have to speak, no? When we are having more, you have to speak, you know. And since you are not watching, you are not glued to any program. Since you are not watching anything, right? So let me change the topic. Should we speak on food and restaurant?
Okay.
Food and restaurants. Okay. Yeah. So Mahima, my first question: are you a foodie?
Yes, ma'am, not too much, ma'am.
Okay. So
Just
what do we understand by a foodie?
foodie means who person is like food too much and I think like to eat like a hot.
A person, yes, a person who is passionate about food. Okay, person who is really passionate about food, and you know, so yeah, I can say a person who eats like a horse is a very good idiom which you use, that is, who always eats a lot of food. Okay, and it could also be someone who is so passionate that he follows certain food bloggers and he also would go to the restaurants recommended by these food bloggers. Okay? That person is known as a foodie. So are you a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
Yes, I am completely vegetarian.
Okay, and do you like eating home cooked meals or you prefer eating food at a restaurant?
Yes, mostly time I like eating food at home But sometimes it's occasionally like any ceremony, any party. So that's time I go to a restaurant and uh, I I enjoy party, and yeah, I enjoy food.
Okay, you enjoy food. That's nice. Okay. So dal chawal. So dal chawal, I can say rice and lentil curry, right? In English, when I say, I will not say dal. I will say lentil curry. Okay, steamed rice. Okay. So you also said that when there are special occasions, like it's someone's birthday, right? You said someone's birthday. You said you prepare chole, right? Chole is known as chickpeas, chickpeas curry. You know I'll give you the spelling of chickpeas.
CHICK.
CHICK, chickpeas curry.
Okay.
Okay, chickpeas curry. Okay. So you also said bhature, right? So
Yes.
I will give you an English name for bhature. It is deep fried, deep fried sourdough bread. Deep fried sourdough. I'll give you the spelling of sourdough. SOURDOUGH. Sourdough bread. I'm giving you the exact sourdough bread. BREAD bread.
Okay. SOURDRE.
No. SOURDOUGH. Sourdough bread. Okay. See, because we should know the English meaning, right? You also said that you sometimes prepare idli, right? You prepare idli. Now, what is idli called in English? Idli, I can say it is known as steamed rice cake. Steamed rice cake. Okay, steamed rice cake.
Yes.
Steamed rice cake. Dosa. Okay, dosa I can say is lentil and rice pancake. Lentils and rice pancake.
Lentil spelling.
LENTILS, lentils and rice pancake. Pancake. Pancake is one word. PANCAKE. Pancake. Okay. Right? You've written it down, right? You will get the recording. That you just have to connect with the chat support. They will give the recording to you. So now my next question is, so can you share with me the step-by-step recipe of preparing chickpea curry? Chickpea curry, which is chole.
But I don't know how to say,
No, but that is what we have to learn, no? Because otherwise, if you're hesitant, how will we? See, now you told me so many words in Hindi I gave you. We have to learn, right? How do you start? Now, what are the ingredients?
okay. So firstly, I like like chola, kabli chana,
Kabuli chana is chickpeas. Chickpeas. Okay, they are chickpeas.
Firstly, I do pour into the water.
Okay. Okay, so I pour water in the chickpeas. Is I soak the chickpeas. Soak. Okay. I soak the chickpeas. You can mention that. Soak. SOAK. Soak chickpeas in water. Right? For how many hours?
Yes, I soak chickpeas into the water. In the water, right?
In water. I soak chickpeas in water. For how many hours? For how many hours?
Sorry.
For how many hours do you soak chickpeas in water? कितने घंटे के लिए आप भिगाते हैं पानी में?
Okay, how many hours? Sorry. So yes, I like I soaked chickpeas in the water in the night
Okay, so I soak chickpeas in water overnight.
overnight.
Overnight. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Continue. Continue.
And then after in the morning, I put chickpeas in the pressure cooker, and I add the water and add salt, a little bit salt, and baking soda, and yes. Then after I put on the gas stove, and it's like 3 or 4 whistle. After 3 or 4 whistle,
I turn the gas off. Turn the gas
yes,
off. Right? I turn the gas.
I turn off the gas, and then after I prepare spices for the chickpeas curry, and
How do you prepare that? How do you prepare? How do you prepare the? How do you prepare the curry?
yes, I prepare some spices for chickpeas curry, and then firstly I put the kadahi.
Kadai is frying pan. Kadai is a frying pan. Frying pan.
Okay, so firstly I put a fry pan, and then I put oil.
1 minute. 1 minute. Don't be so in such a rush. You have to learn, no? Don't be in such a rush. आराम से, एकदम आराम से. Okay. I place because जल्दी में ना गलती हो जाएगी फिर. We are here to learn, no? We are not in a race, right? So you have to be slow. Yeah. Place the frying pan. See, if you talk so fast, no one will understand. Even I am having difficulty in understanding. Okay. Place the frying pan on the gas. Yeah. Now continue. Now what do you do after you place?
Like घबराहट.
नहीं बट घबराहट होने की बात है ही नहीं ना. You're in अब क्लास में हो. You have to learn. मैं डरावनी तो नहीं लग रही हूँ ना. मैं तो डरावनी नहीं हूँ. आराम से. Don't be in a rush. अब आराम से बोलिए. जैसे you will talk in Hindi. See, the main idea क्या है कि if you don't understand, if you don't know certain word, I will help you. See now, for example, you said छोले भटूरे. You didn't know what छोले is called in English. लेकिन अगर आप बहुत हिचकिचाओगे ना बोलने में, फिर आप सीखोगे नहीं. Okay, so word नहीं आती कोई बात नहीं. You're going to learn it from me. Okay, so think from that perspective. ठीक है, you're doing well. So continue with that. Okay, yeah, बोलिए.
So firstly, I put a fry pan on the gas, and then after I put I pour oil. I don't know why actually I'm forgetting about this.
No, don't worry. See, why I'm asking you to give me the recipe is because in this you will learn a lot of food vocabulary. Okay, it will be useful because ये क्या है, even at home you will be able to practice. आपके लिए अच्छा क्या हो जाएगा because you're a homemaker, you're cooking, right? You're cooking for your family. Guest comes, you're cooking, so you can practice there also. That is the reason. See, यहाँ पे आके तो you will practice when you're talking to us and all, you will practice. But वहाँ पे भी you can always say I made chickpea curry. Now next time when you're telling your family, you don't have to tell them I made chole bhature. You can use the English word. You will be teaching them, no? What is chole called in English? What is bhature called in English, right? Yeah, continue.
Then after mustard oil, after pouring mustard oil, then I put some cumin, and then after I put some spices like how to say khada masala and
Okay, whole spices. Khada masala is whole spices. You can just say whole spices. WHOLE, whole spices. Okay, khada masala, whole spices.
and then after I chopped onion, and I put into the fry pan, and I grind some spices like green chili and onion and garlic and ginger and like green coriander, all spices, and then after after I put into the frying pan, and I like
आप हिंदी में बोलिए, I'll tell you the English word, don't worry.
मतलब कि उसको भुनना
I keep stirring. I stir until it becomes brown. Correct? We allow it to become brown, right? Stirring.
yeah.
Stirring spelling I'll give you STIRR. STIRRING. Stirring. Okay? Till it becomes golden brown and the raw smell goes away. Kachapan nikal jana, right? Raw smell goes away.
And then after I put chickpeas, and I again stirring, and then I put water, a little amount of water I put. Then after I stirring, and I cover on the plate. I cover with the plate.
I check whether the chickpeas are cooked completely.
I check
whether the chickpeas are cooked.
I check the weather.
I check the weather nahi. I check whether the chickpeas are cooked completely.
Okay. So this chickpeas is cooked completely. Then after I turn off the gas, and
Okay, and then it is ready to serve. Okay, very good, very good. So you have made an effort. Don't be hesitant. Okay, हिचकिचाना नहीं कभी भी, because हम सीखने आ रहे हैं. गलती होगी, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, because any language you are going to learn, mistakes will occur. No problem. आप सीखोगे ना उससे. No issue at all. Okay. So Mahima, before we get disconnected, I want to give you the feedback for today's class. See, you are a very proactive learner. Okay. In fact, when you came in the session, you introduced yourself also very nicely. See, one advantage is you have also done your MA in English. I know now it's out of touch, but still, advantages you have definitely an advantage because you've done your MA in English. Plus, your introduction was very good. What you did, introduction was very nice. Okay. Only thing what I will say is don't be nervous. Okay, don't be nervous. Don't be hesitant. You are coming to learn, and we are here. All our trainers are very approachable and friendly. तो आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर गलती होती भी है तो क्या हुआ? अभी जैसे स्कूल में भी बच्चे गलती करते हैं तो it's a duty of the teacher, right? So even though you're an adult, I'm an adult, but it is our job not to correct you. So don't be nervous. Okay, आपको डरना बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि मुझसे गलती होगी तो क्या होगा? आप सीख लोगे ना. See, the main idea of choosing this topic was because I said that you're not watching TV. Then I said this topic is good because now अभी आपको क्या करना है when at home जब आप बात करोगे family के साथ, बच्चों के साथ या anyone, start telling them, even if you are talking in Hindi, you can say, हाँ, मैंने steam rice बनाई है. I have made steam rice. I have made chickpea curry. See, आदत होनी चाहिए using these vocabulary words. Because ये क्या होता है, हम सीख लेते हैं and then we are not using those vocabulary words in our conversation. It's very important.
Yeah, ma'am, I also feel like when I talk and when I do practice in an audio call, so I talk and the conversation very easily, all things.
Yeah.
But if I talk about any particular words and anything, so that time I totally stuck.
Yeah. So वो क्यों हो रहा है? I'll tell you. पहले तो you should not be nervous. आप nervous नहीं होने से तो मैंने आपको पूछा, मैं आपको डरा तो नहीं रही हूँ. मुझे ऐसा तो किसी ने बताया भी नहीं कि मैं डरावनी हूँ करके, इसलिए पूछा मैंने. Do I look scary? आप डरना बिल्कुल नहीं है आपको. Okay? And बिंदास बोलना है बेझिझक होके, क्योंकि that is you have come to learn. Okay? And यहाँ पे कोई आपको no one is going to judge you. आप ये नहीं सोचना कि ये क्या सोचेंगे. No. Because you are at least speaking, my dear. There are people who come जो बोल भी नहीं पाते, but वो हम लोग का काम है उनको सिखाना. So don't think that way. Okay? Next class में जब आप आओगे, don't worry. See, अभी जो रेसिपी आपने बताई, you have learned a lot, no? You learned a lot of new words which you were not aware. तो आप ऐसे सोचो कि ठीक है, मैंने थोड़ी सी गलती करी, but I learned a lot. Okay? See, what I will recommend is try to read. Are you reading any books or reading English newspaper? English newspaper मंगवाते हैं आप मतलब घर पे या हिंदी newspaper आती है?
I didn't read any newspaper, but from today I start reading my young son books.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I will give you one application. Okay, you have to download it on your phone. It is known as Babbel. Okay, Babbel, Babbel. Okay, Babbel is the name of the application. Babbel, Babbel. Okay, this is an application. So what you should do is Babbel will have a lot of reading passages. आपको time मिलता है, read कीजिए passage. In that passage, there may be some words which are difficult. आपको शायद meaning आएगी नहीं. Look at the words and look at the meaning of the words. समझो you have read one passage and passage you have understood, but there were 2 words or 3 words which were difficult. You didn't understand. Write it down, find out the meaning from the dictionary. Then those words, use it in your conversation. So when you're coming for the English यारी class, use it in the conversation. तो क्या हो जाएगा, अगर आपने कोई गलती करी है उस पे, the trainer will guide you. Right? This is how you will learn. Because मुझे लगता है कि the vocabulary bank थोड़ा सा कम है. That should improve first. Vocabulary अच्छी हो जाएगी, then we can focus on pronunciation. But first thing is vocabulary. Because वाक्य बनाने के लिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं होंगे तो मैं कैसे बनाऊंगी? अभी अगर मुझे हिंदी में बात करनी है आपसे, अगर मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है तो मैं बात कैसे करूँ? Right? So let's focus on that, and I will see you in the next class. Okay, whenever you're booking. Okay. Thank you so much, Mahima, for joining my session, and I really enjoyed the class with you. Okay.
I also really enjoyed that.